kung wala kayong ginagawang masama, kung wala kayong nagrabyado, bakit po kayo matatakot sa
Hindi
media?
po ako natatakot,
Yung
Your
media,
Honor.
yung media naman po, isusulat lang kung ano talaga yung
Unfortunately, Your Honor, it's not like that. That's why I had to file a cyber libel case against the Tribune. It's because of the distorted reporting that I have been doing regarding this case.
Okay. So ilan po yung sinampang mo ng kaso?
94 cases, Your Honor, of aggravated fraud filed before the Office of the Public Prosecutor in Milan.
Bakit hindi po yung media ang sampahan nyo? Bakit po yung mga victims?
Sinampahan ko.
Kasi it's not fair. Victim na nga po, tapos ngayon sasaktan na masakit na becoming a victim is really very painful and
Yes, sir, we
stressful.
understand that.
And then dadagdagan nyo pa po yung stress na sasampahan sila ng kaso.
But I'm
Now,
also a
dapat
victim
po, ang
here.
una yung sampahan ng
Your Honor.
Sir, excuse me. Ang una nyo dapat sampahan ng kaso, yung media.
Yes, sir. Kaya may cyber libel case. As I mentioned in our last hearing, I promised to withdraw the complaint against our 3 victims,
Ayun na po.
provided they submit their sworn statement stating that they did not say that I was negligent, that I failed to act on their complaints, because they were never there in Italy, sir, to file complaints and raise this before me, as what is being published by the Tribune. Tanungin niyo po sila kung nagkita po kami, kung hindi ko po sila nasikaso. Dahil hindi ko po sila nakita dun. How could they say that I sat on their complaints when they never submitted their complaints to me in the first place? So yun po yung medyo naging issue dyan, Your Honor.
So ibig sabihin, sir, pinapalitak nyo sa mga complainants o itong mga sinampahan nyo ng kaso yung kanilang mga previous statements?
Yun po rin yung sinabi nila sa akin. As I've said in the last hearing, I was able to talk to Ms. Cabasis, and she told me that what was quoted in the Tribune was something she never said.
Si Miss Cabasis?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. Tulad po ng sinabi ko nung nakaraang hearing, naging messenger lang po kami. Kung may sinabi man po kami sa Tribune, yun po ay saloobin namin at saloobin po ng mga biktima sa Milan po.
So meron kayong sinabi sa Tribune?
Sinabi po namin yung saloobin po ng mga nasa Milan po. Ang saloobin po namin bilang biktima po.
So what's wrong with that, Mr. Cato?
No, Mr.
Binugalan nilang
Chair,
saloobin nila.
What she was telling me was, yung nakakote po sa Tribune, complainants Cabasis, Catillo, and Antonio said Consul General Cato was negligent. Sinasabi naman po niya sa akin, hindi po niya sinabi yun. So was she misquoted? Was the statement misattributed? Only they can tell us that. Your Honor.
Sinabi niyo ba yun, ma'am?
May article po
Ma'am.
ba na nakalagay na sinabi namin
Yes,
po.
there are 2 articles where their names were stated. Kasama po sa exhibit yan doon sa complaint na final ko before the Angeles City.
So there were 2
Protocol.
articles stating that.
Their names were there, Your Honor. Kaya po, nadamay sila doon. And for us to be able to get to the bottom of the truth, we need their cooperation as well. So if they promise to tell the truth, if they issue that sworn statement based on what she told me, then I will withdraw the complaint against them.
Okay, Ma'am Apple, naintindihan niyo po yung sinasabi niya?
Yes,
Kasi
Your Honor.
nakalagay daw doon sa article yung pangalan ninyo na bilang source doon sa mga allegations against Mr. Cato.
Your Honor, wala pa po kaming kopya ng complaint, so hindi ko pa po masasagot. Pero kung ang sinasabi po ni Conjen, tulad po ng sinabi ko po nung nakaraang hearing, naging messenger lang po ako.
Yung pong article, Ma'am Apple, nakita niyo na po? Nabasa niyo? Ng Tribune na pinagbasihan ng cyber libel case against you?
Isa lang po yung nakita ko. Yun nga po yung sa binanggit po kami 3.
Okay.
Tulad nga po ng
So
sinabi.
tama ho ba ang pagkabanggit sa inyo ng Tribune? Gusto ko po manggaling sa inyo. I think kayo po ang makakasagot nito ng tama. Kasi kayo pong cyber libel dito, kayo po yung sinasabing source. Nakita niyo na po yung article, nabasa niyo po, ano?
Opo.
Okay. So, tama ho ba yung article para sa inyo?
Hindi. Ang nakalagay po dun is they also accuse Conjen Cato. So, hindi, ang tulad nga po nung sinabi namin, hindi po kami ang nag-akusa.
So,
kay Conjen Shato.
So ang tanong ko ulit, so tama ba yung paggamit ng pangalan niyo doon?
Your Honors, good afternoon, if I may. I am Attorney Crisel Cancino, Your Honor. We are representing Ms. Apple Cabasis in the illegal recruitment case that she filed before the DOJ against Alpha Asistenza and Crisel Respicio. And as a matter of fact, Your Honor, we are likewise acting as her counsel in the cyber libel case that was filed against her by Conjen Cato. Insofar as her statements are concerned regarding the article written by Daily Tribune, Your Honor, she would just like to manifest, Your Honor, that whatever statements or expressions that she made were just basically expressions of the victim's frustration and disappointment regarding the actions taken by the Consul General or the other responsible officers, Your Honor, regarding their complaints, Your Honor. There was never a malice intended regarding these statements, Your Honor. It is just a mere expression, again, of their frustration and disappointment regarding the actions taken by the responsible officers, Your Honor.
I understand.
Thank
So
you,
bilang counsel, attorney, Crisel,
Yes,
ni Apple, pumapayag ka ba doon sa request ni El Mercato na siya ay mag-issue ng desistance as long as sasabihin niya she will issue a sworn statement na hindi galing sa kanya yung source, hindi siya yung source doon sa sinulat sa Tribune?
Your Honor, please, gaya nga po na nasabi ni Ms. Apple, hindi pa ho kasi namin nababasa
Okay.
yung complaint. So kung maaari ho sana is mabigyan po muna kami ng opportunity na mabasa po muna yung complaint para po makita po namin kung ano po yung charges laban po sa mga clients po namin.
Yes,
Thank
not
you.
only the complaints as well as
As well as
all
the
other
attachments.
articles
Yes, Your
na kung saan nabanggit yung pangalan ni Ms. Apple, you have to study it and then
Yes,
advise Apple. Like I said earlier sa hearing natin, tutulong po ako
Yes.
sa legal assistance na ibibigay, even if it means legal assistance fund. I will.
Thank
even
you, Your Honor.
providing a lawyer.
And the victims, Your Honor, Ms. Apple, Ms. Vanessa, and Mr. Enrique Catilo would like to extend their warmest appreciation for this public service, Your Honor. Dahil nga po nahirapan na nga po sila sa nangyari nila, sa sinapit po nila. Tapos meron pa ho itong dagdag na kaso na kinakaharap pa ho nila.
Yun nga po sinasabi ko very stressful na po yung ikaw ay maging victim, yung iba na i-depress na sa sobrang pag-aalala, sama ng loob, and then ito another sama ng loob darating, sila ay madidimanda, nandun yung fear na sila ay makukulong, bukod pa sa abala bago yung sila ay masintensyan kung sila ay ma-guilty, especially Mr. Cato, may position po siya sa gobyerno, so nakikita ko po talaga yung ano ng mga victim, yung dinaranas ng victim. Senator Riza?